Hi friends, once again welcome to my YouTube blog Food Lover. I am here with another South Indian food at South Indian restaurant. This Malabar spicy restaurant. Let me show you the interiors of this small restaurant but very tasty, famous for its tea you can see. And another specialty is mutton biryani and chicken biryani as well as the thali. I have came here with my friend Mr. Sean as usual. Hi Sean. So with him today we are going to enjoy variety dishes. He's having a small chit chat with the waiter over there about today's menu. You can see the beautiful interiors over here. It's a small place but the food is pretty delicious. It's quality food over here. So the space and arrangement doesn't matter. You can see that today's special starts with Nadan beef curry and beef items, then chicken chukka, chicken masala and all that, fish items. You can see the roast and other items on the right side with the special paratha and all. So here is my friend Mr. Sean. Here on the wall you can see the beautiful drawings. It shows the traditional way of cooking. It was a wonderful experience over here. Now it's been little crowded, it's the lunch time. So here comes our food. So for Mr. Sean, it's chicken biryani, and for me, I have ordered the special thali. This is the special thali along with the fish fry. It's optional. If you want, you can make it non-veg like I have made it. And there are other types of fishes also available, but my favorite sardine is there, so I will opt for this. Other fish fry also available. You can see that kingfish fry is there and one more fish is there. So it is having lot of variety over there. It's pretty delicious. It was a nice experience once again with the Indian flavor, South Indian food, sambar, dal, all the items are there. You can see even the papad is there. So now my friend Mr. Sean, he is going to start. You can see the rice. Its quantity is pretty much. So it was at the end. It was little bit. It was heavy for him. And along with this, they have provided the curd and chutney for the biryani, chicken biryani. तो शॉन जल्दी से जल्दी टेस्ट करो. टेल मी हाउ इट इज. हाउ इज इट? गुड. सुपर. हाँ, thank you. So this is it friends. You can see the rice, the chicken piece is there, well cooked, and even its price is also cheap. The food quality is very good and the price is cheap. That's the specialty over here. So let him enjoy his biryani. This is the chutney and the curd provided with the biryani. Now friends, it's my turn. So now I am going to start with the thali. I will tell you the items what have been provided. You can see it's a big thali. So here is the fish, sardine, my favorite fish fry. And here you can see the rice. The rice is mota rice. That's the big rice that is been preferred in Kerala especially. Even the guys from Andhra and Tamil Nadu, they also prefer this rice. I used to prefer both because I am more from north less than south because I was born and brought up in north. So I used to take both alternately. So here goes the fish curry, the first thing. You can see there is sambar is there, one more curry is there. It was pretty delicious. That fish curry was very nice. Here you can see the fish fry even. It's well cooked, very well cooked. You can see this how I like it. It's a little bit. It should be a little bit spicy, and then only the fry, the delicious taste comes. It melts in your mouth. So that's what I was looking for, and I got that taste here. Here you can see one more piece of another fish fry is available. So these are the food items. This is the curry, one white curry. I actually forgot the name. Sorry for that. This is the sambar, and the other one is fish curry, and then they have curd. Then one sweet dish. This is a small sweet dish, and this papadam. Then one veg fry. Then it's chutney. So that's friend, and the cost is only 10 real. That is 200 rupees in Indian currency. This is the chutney what I was talking about, coconut chutney. So this adds to the taste. So just I am going to try this with some little sambar on that. My favorite sambar is there. So it was overall a super experience to have such a meal. You can see how they serve it. They serve in copper plates. So that gives a pleasant feeling when the food is being served to you when you have it. It was pretty nice.